Hello everyone. So today I am going to talk about something important which is changing our day-to-day lives, and that is artificial intelligence, which is AI. Many people think that AI is just being evolved and it is being used in foreign countries, or it is being used in bigger countries, not in our country that much. But the reality is that it is being used by the people of our country and it is a part of our everyday life. So when we use Google Maps to avoid traffic, and when we are playing a YouTube video and we are getting so many recommendations of videos, and in our phone when we type something and the phone suggests the next word directly, so it is all where the AI is working. In India, AI is being used to detect the weather and to detect the crop diseases, and by this way farmers are getting help, and students are being able to use the online platforms, and by YouTube videos or many online sources they are able to gain the knowledge. So by this way it is also helping students, and the doctors are also easily able to detect the diseases, which kind of diseases are being occurred, and it is just reducing the time to detect the diseases and work on it. So it is also helping to the doctors. So in our day-to-day life and in our country it is already being used and it is working in a very good way. The same way AI is changing how we work, like our routine works are being automated, and it is changing the way how we used to work, how we used to do work in the office, but now we are able to do it in our home itself. So it's like work from home. In the same time, new technologies are just also being created, like data, like biotechnology, and many more things like innovation. But the thing is, AI is not only technology, it is about responsibility also. If we use the AI wisely, so it can also reduce the corruption, it can also enhance the governance, and it can also make the service reachable to the last person who is standing in the line. But if we will use it blindly, so it can increase the risk of inequality, and it can also increase the power of misuse of power. That is why future of AI doesn't depend on technology, it depends on the values of the people. Like it depends on the human values, what kind of values we people are having in our mind and in our character. And India is a youth nation with a powerful mind, and if our people use AI in a very good way with ethics and intelligence, so it will just not follow the world, it will lead the world in a global circle. In short, AI is not the future, AI is present, and the question is whether we are ready to use it carefully. So it's upon you. So thank you. By this note, I am just concluding this video, and I will come back with another topic. So till then, bye bye and take care.